Hey guys, Alex Sturgeon, HobbyTown HobbyPlex. You can see Emerson over there. We have a free crawler course today, part of Arrmageddon. Your chance to check out the rocks. He put out a pretty easy course, and it should be really good. So it should be a lot of fun. Emerson's going to be here all day, waiting for you guys to come on out and let him show you what's up. So Arrmageddon starts here in just a little bit. We'll have clips all day in this video. So yeah, we'll show off the high jump next. All right, here we go. Oh! All right, I'm on. Let's see what you got. Yes.
Oh! Oh, she landed it.
Double backflip too and landed it. Triple? Was it a triple?
Yeah, that got creative points.
Yeah!
Go! Oh! 2, 1, go! 1, go! Oh! 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Which you can buy upstairs for free $49.99. Here we go. 3,
This is a good one.
2, 1, go! Oh man! Oh my goodness! A ECX something? What is that?
Low C Magniflow.
Oh, it's a low C. Alright. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Alright, you guys ready? You ready to go? You ready to go? Last time, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, false. Come on.
This is a Slash 4x4 versus Stampede Sprint Dash. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the Stampede! Oh no! Keep going, keep going. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he eased into it. He eased into it. Is he going to finish him off at the end? No, the Stampede's going to win it, wheeling the whole way. That was amazing. Good job. All right, so this is Typhon, Arrma Typhon versus Arrma Limitless. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, oh!
Got her.
Hit the curb. I won with
Now it's back on its feet.
I think you should turns it up to 50%.
It's turned up. It needs turned up.
Rematch. All right. Gonna heat up those tires. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so the way I understand this is well go once. Basically, the last one on the table wins. Hope you got that? And we're going 1/10 scale first. I'm going to put the microphone down so I can drive. And I'm going to say go. Is it on? Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Okay, all right. All right. Ready? One or 3, 2, 1, go. Get him! 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, good save.
Nice save. My son's playing Steve. Oh, that was UT. Dave's car, maybe? No, he's just playing coy. He's trying to get underneath him. It's like a battle box bat. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hit him. He's trying to duke him out. He's trying to be like a little mouse. Oh, super fail.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, good job. You gotta kill it. You gotta knock him
Here we go, guys. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. That's a good start. Everybody's still on all the tail rides off right away. Oh, we lost one X-Max right away. The Techno's on his lid. The crawlers are off. Oh my goodness, this is all about the X-Max. That is an easy win for the big X-Max in that one. I went too fast.
What she said.
They're getting spread out. Everybody's kind of using the X-Max, trying to use the X-Max as a blocker almost. They're trying to like an infantry behind a tank. All right, here we go. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, look at that little strategery plane taking place. Everybody's still on. One of our crawlers is on the slid. Oh, the X-Maxes are on the side. Here comes the Telluride still out there, kind of stuck in between. The Techno doing a good job just staying in the middle. The Techno's upside down again. Oh, we got one X-Max off. This could be all big X-Max. It's one big pile.
Tom said I could grab this.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, the X-Max knocks 2 off, and here comes 2 more. There's one, and there's the other. Nice job. Excellent.